TikTok, a global phenomenon. Billions of users. This app has taken the world by storm, transcending borders and cultures. From bustling city streets to remote villages, TikTok has become a ubiquitous part of daily life. It's not just a platform, it's a movement, a cultural shift that has redefined how we consume and create content. Think it's just silly dances and catchy tunes? Think again. While it's true that TikTok is famous for its entertaining and often humorous content, there's so much more beneath the surface. The platform has evolved into a multifaceted tool that serves a variety of purposes. From educational content to political activism, TikTok is a versatile medium that caters to a wide range of interests and demographics. TikTok is a powerful marketing tool. In today's digital age, businesses are constantly seeking innovative ways to reach their target audience. TikTok offers a unique blend of creativity and engagement that traditional marketing channels simply can't match. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, TikTok provides an unparalleled opportunity to connect with consumers in a meaningful way. Businesses, big and small, are leveraging its potential. Don't get left behind. The platform's algorithm is designed to promote content that resonates with users, making it easier for businesses to gain visibility and traction. From product launches to brand storytelling, TikTok offers a dynamic and interactive way to showcase what you have to offer. The key is to be authentic and creative, capturing the essence of your brand in a way that resonates with your audience. TikTok offers a unique opportunity. Unlike other social media platforms, TikTok's short-form video format encourages quick, impactful storytelling. This makes it an ideal platform for capturing the attention of busy consumers who are constantly on the go. With the right strategy, you can create content that not only entertains but also informs and inspires your audience. Reach a vast and engaged audience. Connect with potential customers. TikTok's user base is incredibly diverse, spanning different age groups, interests, and geographic locations. This means that no matter what your business is, there's a good chance you'll find your target audience on TikTok. The platform's interactive features, such as comments, likes, and shares, allow you to engage with your audience in real time, building a community around your brand. Drive sales and boost your bottom line. TikTok's influence extends beyond just brand awareness. Many businesses have reported significant increases in sales and customer engagement after incorporating TikTok into their marketing strategy. The platform's ability to drive traffic to your website or online store can result in tangible financial benefits. By creating compelling content that encourages viewers to take action, you can turn TikTok followers into loyal customers. Ready to unlock TikTok's potential for your business? Let's dive in. The journey to mastering TikTok may seem daunting, but with the right approach, it can be incredibly rewarding. Start by understanding your audience and what type of content resonates with them. Experiment with different formats and styles to see what works best. And most importantly, stay authentic and true to your brand. TikTok is all about creativity and connection, so let your unique voice shine through. Whether you're looking to increase brand awareness, drive sales, or build a community, TikTok offers endless possibilities. So, are you ready to take the plunge and make TikTok a key part of your marketing strategy? Let's get started. First impressions count. On TikTok, it's all about the visuals. High-quality video is non-negotiable. Blurry footage, poor lighting, instant turn-off. Invest in good equipment. A decent camera phone will do. Natural light is your friend. Clear, crisp footage is key. Grab attention and keep viewers hooked. TikTok is fast-paced. You have seconds to capture attention. Make every frame count. Tell a story visually. Intrigue your audience. Use dynamic shots and transitions. Incorporate text overlays and graphics. Keep it visually appealing and easy to follow. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Sound is just as important as visuals. TikTok is a sensory experience. Use sound strategically, enhance your message and evoke emotions. Choose music that fits your brand. Use sound effects to add humor or drama. Ensure clear and balanced audio. Don't underestimate the power of sound. Section 5. Voice effects, adding depth and personality. Want to add an extra layer of polish? Voice effects are an incredible tool that can elevate your audio content to new heights. Whether you're working on a podcast, a commercial, or any other type of audio project, the right voice effects can make a world of difference. Voice effects are your secret weapon. They can help you create a unique sound that stands out from the crowd. By experimenting with different effects, you can find the perfect combination that enhances your message and captivates your audience. They can transform your ads, make them more engaging and memorable. Imagine taking a simple voice recording and adding reverb to give it a sense of space, or using a pitch shifter to create a fun, cartoonish character voice. The possibilities are endless, and the results can be truly transformative. Use a warm and friendly tone. A warm tone can make your audience feel comfortable and connected to your message. It's like having a friendly conversation with a close friend. This can be particularly effective in ads where you want to build trust and rapport with your listeners. Add a touch of humor or excitement. Humor can be a powerful tool in making your ads more relatable and enjoyable. A well-timed joke or a playful tone can make your content more memorable and shareable. Similarly, adding excitement can energize your audience and keep them engaged from start to finish. Voice effects can inject personality into your ads. By using effects like distortion, echo, or modulation, you can create a distinctive voice that reflects the character and tone of your brand. This can help you establish a strong brand identity and make your ads more recognizable and impactful. Don't be afraid to experiment. The world of voice effects is vast and full of possibilities. Try out different combinations and see what works best for your project. You might be surprised at how a small tweak can make a big difference. Listen to your recordings and make adjustments as needed. Pay attention to how the effects enhance or detract from your message. It's important to strike the right balance so that the effects complement your voice rather than overpower it. Collaborate with others. Sometimes getting a fresh perspective can help you discover new ways to use voice effects. Work with other voice actors, producers, or audio engineers to get feedback and ideas. This collaborative approach can lead to more creative and effective use of voice effects. Once you're happy with your voice effects, finalize your project and share it with the world. The right voice effects can make your audio content stand out and leave a lasting impression on your audience. So go ahead, experiment, and have fun with it. Remember, voice effects are not just about adding flair. They are about enhancing the overall listening experience. When used thoughtfully, they can add depth, personality, and a unique touch to your audio projects. Happy recording. Section 6. Brevity is king. Keeping it snappy. TikTok's attention span is short. Get to the point quickly. Keep your ads concise and impactful. No time for waffle. Focus on your key message. Use clear and concise language. Edit ruthlessly. Every second counts on TikTok. Section 7. Call to action. Tell them what to do. Don't leave viewers hanging. Tell them what you want them to do. Include a clear call to action, drive engagement and conversions. Visit your website, follow your page, make a purchase. Be specific and make it easy for them to take action. Section 8. Target practice, finding your audience. TikTok's algorithm is powerful. It can target your ideal customer. Use this to your advantage. Refine your audience for maximum impact. Consider demographics, interests, and behaviors. Test different audiences and track your results. The more targeted your ads, the better your results. Section 9. Case study, success leaves clues. In the world of business, success is often a result of careful planning, strategic thinking, and learning from others who have already paved the way. By examining the journeys of successful companies, we can uncover valuable insights and strategies that can be applied to our own ventures. Don't just take our word for it. The evidence is all around us. Successful businesses leave behind a trail of clues that can guide us towards our own achievements. By paying attention to these clues, we can learn what works and what doesn't and tailor our strategies accordingly. Look at the success stories. These stories are not just tales of triumph, they are blueprints for success. Each story provides a unique perspective on how to overcome challenges, seize opportunities, and achieve remarkable results. By studying these stories, we can gain a deeper understanding of the principles and practices that lead to success. Many brands are killing it on TikTok. This platform has become a powerhouse for marketing, allowing brands to reach a vast audience with creative and engaging content. By analyzing the strategies of successful TikTok campaigns, we can learn how to capture the attention of our target audience and drive engagement. Learn from their strategies and adapt them to your business. It's not about copying what others are doing, but rather understanding the underlying principles and adapting them to fit your unique context. This involves a deep dive into the tactics, content styles, and engagement techniques that have proven effective. Analyze what works and what doesn't. Data is your best friend in this process. By closely examining the performance metrics of successful campaigns, you can identify key factors that contribute to their success. This includes understanding audience demographics, engagement rates, and conversion metrics. Identify trends and best practices. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve requires a keen eye for emerging trends. By keeping up with the latest developments in social media and digital marketing, you can ensure that your strategies remain relevant and effective. Use these insights to inform your own TikTok ad strategy. Armed with the knowledge of what works, you can craft a strategy that leverages the strengths of TikTok to achieve your business goals. This involves creating compelling content, engaging with your audience, and continuously refining your approach based on performance data. Remember, success leaves clues. By studying the successes of others, you can chart a path to your own success. It's about being observant, analytical, and willing to learn from the experiences of others. So, take the time to study successful campaigns, understand the strategies behind them, and apply those lessons to your own efforts. Seek guidance and mentorship. Sometimes, the best way to learn is from those who have already walked the path. Mentors and industry experts can provide invaluable insights and advice that can help you navigate the complexities of the business world. Don't hesitate to reach out and learn from their experiences. Stay committed and persistent. Success doesn't come overnight. It requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to adapt and evolve. By staying focused on your goals and continuously learning from both your successes and failures, you can build a strong foundation for long-term success. Celebrate your achievements. Every milestone, no matter how small, is a step towards your ultimate goal. Take the time to acknowledge and celebrate your successes and use them as motivation to keep pushing forward. Success is a journey, and every step along the way is worth celebrating. Plan for the future. Success is not a destination, but a continuous journey. Always be looking ahead, setting new goals and planning your next steps. By staying proactive and forward-thinking, you can ensure that your business continues to grow and thrive in an ever-changing landscape. Collaboration is key. Success is rarely achieved in isolation. It often requires the collective effort of a dedicated team. By fostering a collaborative environment and encouraging open communication, you can harness the power of teamwork to achieve your business objectives. Continuously review and refine your strategies. The business world is dynamic, and what works today may not work tomorrow. Regularly reviewing your performance and making necessary adjustments is crucial to staying on track and achieving long-term success. In conclusion, success leaves clues. By studying the successes of others, learning from their strategies, and applying those lessons to your own business, you can pave the way for your own success. Stay observant, stay committed, and never stop learning. The path to success is filled with valuable lessons, and it's up to you to uncover them and use them to your advantage. Section 10. TikTok ads. Your business needs them. TikTok advertising is no longer optional. It's a necessity for businesses that want to thrive. Ignore it at your peril. Embrace the power of TikTok. Reach a new generation of consumers. Boost your brand awareness and drive sales. TikTok ads are a game changer. Section 11. Ready to go viral. TikTok ads offer a unique opportunity. Connect with your audience in a fun and engaging way. Follow these tips and watch your business soar. Get creative, experiment, and have fun. TikTok is all about authenticity and creativity. Let your brand personality shine through.